In my last video, we cracked open the doors to the tech revolution. I told you, you don't need to be a tech genius to make money from AI and the future. Today, I'll show you the #1 most promising business you can invest in right now. Even if you've never coded, never started a business, and never used ChatGPT. So what is it? Remote AI-powered tutoring platforms. Let's talk facts. In 2025, over 2 billion people are learning online. Students, professionals, kids, retired folks, and most of them are now interacting with AI tutors, apps that teach math, coding, English, even music in real time, customized to every student. Here's the catch. The AI doesn't own the business. You can. Yes, you can launch your own remote AI tutoring platform, even without understanding the technology behind it. This business runs 24/7. You don't need classrooms, you don't need teachers, and you don't even need to teach. Here's what you need. A website, cost 2,000 to 5,000 rupees or $25 to $50. A subscription to an AI tutoring engine like Smodin, Cognito, or Learn.xyz. Many have free tiers, branding, and a way to accept payments. Stripe, Razorpay, PayPal. You connect these together and boom, you've built a digital AI school. Offer free trials, charge 299 rupees per month or $5 per month. Get just 500 students and you're making 1.5 lakh rupees per month or $6,000. That's the magic of 2025. You don't need to be a developer. You can buy a pre-built website template for education. Just drag and drop. Hire a freelancer on Fiverr or freelancer.com to connect the AI APIs. Focus on branding, social media, and marketing, the human part. Remember, AI handles the tutoring. You just build the brand. Let me tell you about Rupa from Pune. She was a homemaker with zero tech background. She launched Smart Kid Gurukul, an AI tutoring website for school kids. Her cost? 18,000 rupees initial setup. Within 6 months, over 1,000 paying subscribers. She hired a freelancer to help, focused on Facebook ads and word of mouth. Today, she works 3 hours a day and earns over 2 lakh rupees a month. Not bad, right? Here's your step-by-step starter checklist. Choose your niche: kids, spoken English, competitive exams. Buy a domain and hosting, Namecheap, Hosting or GoDaddy. Pick an AI engine to plug in. I'll link my favorites below. Hire a freelance tech helper, 5,000 to 10,000 rupees one time. Promote it on social media or even at local schools and coaching centers. You're not just building a business, you're solving a real need. So, what are you waiting for? The AI education wave has just begun. You can ride it. Like this video if this gave you ideas. Subscribe for next week's deep dive into AI-powered healthcare kiosks. And comment, "I'm in," if you want a free checklist to get started. The future is here. Don't watch it from the sidelines. Own a piece of it. This is the Technocrat helping you make the future yours, one smart decision at a time.